Welcome to my Unicorner, a special space where I can have fun with my friends, like Sarah.
Hey everyone! This Unicorner is so cool. One day, I'd like to make my own special place too.
Hey, that gives me a bright idea. It's time to build a blanket fort. That can be your own space that you can make anywhere.
Awesome! How do we do it?
It's easy. We can be like engineers and design it ourselves. All we need to start is a couch and some chairs, a bunch of blankets, and some pillows and cushions. First, place some chairs across from the couch.
Then take your blanket and tuck one end under the couch cushions.
Then stretch the other end of the blanket over the chairs.
If the blanket doesn't stay on the chair, you can weigh the ends down with some pillows.
Make sure to leave an opening for the door.
Or even a secret passage.
When you're done, all you have to do next is fill it with some of your favorite stuff.
And use your imagination.
There you have it, our very own special space.
Let's check it out.
Here's where we can hang out and play or even just relax.
Over here is our secret passage that takes us to our watchtower.
And this is our unicorn stable. It's where we'll keep all the unicorns. That's Violet, that's Mint, and that's Rose.
Hi, everyone.
Would you like to have a tea party?
Of course I would.
Let's put on our British accents. May I have a spoon of tea?
Oh, yes, you may.
So that's how to build a blanket fort.
Try making one for yourself at home.
When you do, remember, be bold,
Be you,